Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet in your Ninja Creami. First, select your favorite ripe fruit, ensuring it's washed and chopped into small, manageable pieces. Next, combine your prepared fruit with a liquid base, such as water or fruit juice, in the Ninja Creami pint. Remember to sweeten the mixture to your liking with sugar or a natural alternative before freezing. This initial preparation is key for a delicious sorbet. Once your fruit mixture is ready, freeze it for a minimum of 24 hours. It needs to be completely solid for the best results. Make sure your pint is filled to the max fill line, but not over it. When frozen, place the pint into the Ninja Creami outer bowl, secure the lid, and then select the sorbet function. The machine will then work its magic, transforming your frozen block into a smooth treat. After the initial spin, check your sorbet's texture. Sometimes it might be a bit crumbly or powdery. If this happens, don't worry. Just add 1 tablespoon of a liquid, like water or fruit juice, back into the pint. Then, select the respin function. This extra step helps to create a much smoother, creamier consistency. You can repeat the respin if needed until it's just right. Your delicious homemade sorbet is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately for the best experience. You can add a garnish of fresh fruit or a sprig of mint for an extra touch. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in your freezer. When you're ready to enjoy them again, a quick respin in your Ninja Creami will bring back that perfect, fresh texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.